perfect day to see some snow falling in Portland. It happened on a Sunday. Hopefully you didn't have to hit the roads too much. Otherwise, maybe you didn't love the snowfall so much.
It got us all in the festive season.
It really did.
A lot of the area looked like a holiday card, and now you head out there, it's all gone. So it was here, everybody got excited, and it's now in the rearview mirror, which I think a lot of people like. But for tomorrow morning, there could be some slick roads. It's going to be dry and cold overnight. Overnight lows will be just right around freezing, maybe just above it, depending on how much clouds we see overnight and into tomorrow. But we could be looking at some slick roads Monday morning, and we stay below average with our temperatures over the next several days as well. We topped out in the upper 30s this afternoon. Tomorrow will be a little bit warmer, but we still have a little upper level low down in southern Oregon, bringing in more snow showers, a little mix of rain and snow through parts of southern Oregon and the southern Oregon Cascades. Meanwhile, throughout the metro area, we're dry, and I'm expecting to see dry conditions basically throughout the overnight hours. There could be some pockets of freezing rain and some leftover snow showers through parts of the Coast Range and into parts of the gorge. That's where it's going to be really slick, especially through parts of the gorge, because along with that snow, there could be some light freezing rain at times. Here in the metro area, I think we're done with any wintry mix, at least for a little bit. 35 degrees right now with mostly cloudy skies. Winds coming in from the east-southeast about 6 miles per hour. And with that wind chill, it's feeling more like 30 degrees. And it's going to be pretty cold out there overnight. And we talked about this earlier in the show with our record snowfall we saw earlier tonight. This is what we saw at the Portland International Airport. A tenth of an inch of snow rather. The old record was a trace set back in 1980. 42 years ago, and you might remember last December we saw almost 4 inches of snow. That was the snowiest December we saw since 2008. On average, we get just over an inch of snow for the month of December. So we could be seeing another round here the next couple of weeks. We'll just have to wait and see. It's still only December 4th. But rainfall amount since midnight, just about 2/10 over in Vancouver, a tenth of an inch, more than that over in parts of Hillsborough and along the Oregon coast near Newport and Florence. You saw about a tenth of an inch of rain since midnight. Now we're going to start to see some drier weather, but we still have some watches and warnings. That white color you see is that winter storm warning. That's in effect until early tomorrow morning, and throughout the west end of the gorge, also a winter weather advisory. So as we look at what we're going to be seeing tomorrow morning, there could be a little bit of some light showers at times on your commute, but again, it's not going to be really impacting you a whole lot because our temperatures will be above freezing by the time 9:30, 10 o'clock rolls around tomorrow. And then by tomorrow night, we stay dry. A few showers possible along the central Oregon coast, but we're going to be seeing dry conditions a good part of Monday and into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. The next round of showers really won't start to move back into our forecast area until probably about Thursday at the earliest. So still could be seeing some light freezing rain if you're going to be traveling over the Coast Range tonight, but by tomorrow, partly sunny skies and still looking at a little bit of some snow showers throughout the Oregon Cascades. 25 degrees right now. Overnight, you could be seeing a couple of inches of new snow. Highs tomorrow right around the mid to the upper 30s, and the snow showers will pick up by the later part of this week. And throughout the gorge, expect to see some slick roads at times, snow showers, but on top of those snow showers will be actually I should say some pockets of freezing rain. So partly sunny and mainly dry for Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday. Rain returns for Thursday. A slight chance to see a wintry mix heading into Friday morning, but for the most part, we're just going to be cool and wet by the later part of this week. We'll be right back.